department students need to learn Chinese and how it will affect our career?
Okay, thank you for the question. I find it very intriguing. At the same time, it's very interesting questions, and I believe that our students actually they should take care of these sort of queries. That why should we take Chinese language courses, and actually how it's going to affect our career. First of all, in the English department, since actually we're learning English, and at the same time, third language is very important because with your English proficiency, when you learn a third language, actually it enhances your proficiency level and also your comprehension level, and also it ensures access to a different world. For example, when you learn Chinese, and if you're a proficient learner, then you can get access to Chinese organizations, and also you can go for Chinese scholarships because Chinese universities these days actually they're doing really good academically, and internationally some of their universities are ranked universities. So in that case, if you know Chinese, it will add some extra feather to your career. So that's why I believe that our students they should go for a third language. That of course is Chinese. Since in our university we have the Confucius Center. So with the help of Confucius Center, and also our English department is also encouraging our students to take courses on any other language like Chinese or French. But in our case, since we have the facilities, we should go for Chinese. And career-wise, you can get jobs in Chinese embassies and also different kinds of international organizations. As you know, in our country, we have different EPJets, export processing zones, and in those zones we have different Chinese factories and industries. So our students with good Chinese language proficiency, they can get access to these jobs. So it will increase their opportunities getting jobs in different kinds of Chinese organizations. And also as translators or interpreters, they can also work in different international organizations where Chinese language is needed, like UNICEF, UNESCO, United Nations, I can say, and also different kinds of international NGOs or non-government organizations, so they can also get access to them. And at the same time, they can also get access to a different knowledge. Because when you know Chinese, that means you can get access to the Chinese education system, Chinese literature, language, history. So that will also equip you as a good human being. That's what I believe. So career-wise, and also when it comes to the academy or academia, personally I believe that Chinese language can benefit our students. So we must go for it. That's what I believe. So thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.